Hey there, meanderers. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking you on a tour of the stunning Archer Hotel in Napa Valley. Whether you're planning a getaway or just curious about this beautiful spot, I've got you covered. Let's dive in. Hi, meanderers. It's Ashley. We're at the Archer Hotel in Napa Valley, California. I just wanted to give you a little tour of our room, and we will tour the rest of the hotel and play around tomorrow because this girl has been traveling for a 5-hour flight and about a 3-hour drive. So I'm about ready to have some dinner and turn in. But anyway, let's see what this room's like. This is just a standard king room. As you walk in to the right, there's a barn door to the bathroom, where we have a vanity with a lighted mirror. Hey girl. And you have a makeup mirror. Is it lit? I don't know. Looks like it's supposed to be. Can't figure that out. But anyway, it's a magnification mirror. So, got some glasses, a little bit of body moisturizer, makeup, washcloth. A few little things in here. Makeup remover, that's kind of cool. A little vanity kit, looks like an emery board and Q-tip. Cotton pad in there, and a shower cap. Right here we have our soap and soap dish. Looks like we've got some slippers down here and a hair dryer. Like I said, I usually don't use those, so I'll let you be the judge of this little thing. I can't imagine that's very powerful. Towels. Got your little water closet there. And it's a pretty nice shower with a seat. That's nice. Got peppermint shampoo, cilantro hair conditioner, and rum body wash. We have a rainfall shower head up here, as well as a handheld shower. And I just noticed, this is kind of cool. I like that there are hooks along the wall here. That's usually nice to be able to hang your towels up. Also, okay, here's the full length mirror. Also always nice to have in a room. Walking on in, we have a little sofa, an ottoman, a closet. Amenities in here are an ironing board and an iron. Oh, an umbrella. Interesting. I don't think it rains much here. Some bathrobes. A stand for your suitcase. There's another little bench over here. I've already kind of cluttered that up. Does this have any storage in it? Maybe. Yes. Yes, there it is. Okay. So storage there. Cool little artwork with some wine lingo on there. Kisses are sweet. Kisses sweeter than wine. That's cute. Okay, just for grins, I'm gonna see. Nope, not a sleeper sofa. I like this little table right here. You can slide out and move around all over the room. That gives you a little extra surface to maybe throw a laptop on or whatever if you're working here from here. Okay, nightstand. They left us some Fiji water, and there's our phone, some USB and plugs. A little bit of storage under here, no drawers. Well, more outlets and USB ports. Nice king size bed with 4 pillows. I love the headboard, that's really pretty. Another bench at the end of the bed. This is always nice for putting on shoes. Got a nice big screen TV in here. And they gave us a complimentary glass of white wine at check-in. Looks like we have some, let's see, a warm welcome to our wine country abode. We're at your service always. Please enjoy these locally made salted caramels and bottled water with our compliments. Archer. And on the bed, I'm not sure if this is some type of little cake. Feels like a sponge cake. Not really like a biscotti or anything, so we'll travel for treats. I will. Thank you. Over here you have your trash and recycling. More storage. Big drawers, I like that, because I like to unpack and put my packing cubes away in these. Oh, here we go. Inside this cabinet, more shelf storage. Of course, there are wine glasses, an ice bucket, a couple of little bottles of wine, a wine opener, snacks and sips. Scan the QR code with your smartphone to see the minibar menu. A safe. Got a little coffee. Is that like an espresso machine? Huh. What are these? I guess so. I guess this is like a little espresso machine. Cute. I'll have to learn how to work that in the morning. Here we've got a few little snacks, some spicy sriracha corn nuts, roasted salted cashews, gummy bears, M&Ms, milk chocolate caramel, dark chocolate sea salt, natural potato chips. Interesting. And this is what? Oh, a nice little beverage cooler. Got some champagne, some Chardonnay, little Sauvignon Blanc, some hydraulic sandwich, India Pale Ale, little IPA for you. Here's a Peace Brothers Beer Company. Looks like a Pilsner. Perrier, Sprite Coke, and some more Fiji waters. Our immediate view is kind of the rooftop and parking deck. We're on the 4th floor, but if you look a little farther past that, we've got the, some of the Napa Valley landscape out there. It is a nice big window, and we have a lot of natural light, so that's really cool. Oh, and we get a little bonus sunset over there. How about that? Anyway, I'm happy with it, and I'm looking forward to exploring more and seeing what this town has to offer. I'll keep you posted. As soon as you step into the Archer Hotel, you're welcomed by this inviting industrial chic style lobby where modern design meets Napa Valley charm. The lobby is filled with cozy seating areas, perfect for relaxing with a good book or catching up with friends. The decor blends rustic elements with a contemporary flair, making it both elegant and comfortable. One of the standout features here in the lobby is this relief map of Napa Valley on display. It's a beautiful artistic touch that really connects you to the region and adds to the hotel's local vibe. The open layout of the lobby encourages socializing with communal tables and plush couches. It's a great spot to enjoy a glass of wine or just soak in the atmosphere. Throughout the space, you'll notice carefully selected artwork and subtle details that reflect the local culture and landscape, making it a true reflection of Napa Valley's spirit. Overall, the lobby sets the perfect tone for your stay, stylish, welcoming, and deeply connected to the beauty of Napa Valley. There is a Charlie Palmer steak restaurant in the open lobby as well. We didn't have the opportunity to dine here, but it looked like they had plenty of dinner and cocktail options available. Now let's head up to the Rooftop restaurant, Sky and Vine. It's an absolute must visit. It offers a fantastic dining experience with a menu that showcases local flavors, and the view, wow. The panoramic view from up here is breathtaking. You can see the entire Napa Valley spread out before you. Reservations for Sky and Vine can be made on Open Table. The menu here is well curated, offering a great selection of drinks and bites. We went with a classic charcuterie and a caprese salad. Both were fresh, flavorful, and beautifully presented. Even if you're here to unwind, staying active is easy with their rooftop fitness center and spa. They're conveniently located with easy access, and the exterior design blends seamlessly with the rest of the hotel's aesthetic. We didn't experience either space, but here's a look at the options on the spa menu. It looks delightful. The Rooftop also features a Waterdeck retreat outfitted with comfy ledge loungers. It's just 6 inches of water, but it's enough to dip your toes and refresh while enjoying a cold beverage on a gorgeous day. And the panoramic valley vistas just beyond the city are an idyllic backdrop for a few laid-back moments. It's a great spot to relax and soak in the views. Semi-private cabanas with stone fireplaces are available on a first-come, first-served basis. So we paid $1,237 for 2 nights at the Archer Hotel. Was it worth it? We thought so. It's a fantastic choice if you're looking to experience Napa Valley in style. From the luxurious rooms to the stunning rooftop views, it offers everything you need for a memorable stay. I hope you enjoyed this tour and review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions or need more travel tips.